La televisión. And the rock is coming and behind, almost done. Let's fly. Kalima weather doesn't want to stop. So we are expecting again very hot day today, 34 degrees maybe. It looks like it's a little bit getting better, not that hot, but the sky, as you can see, still it's not blue, it's a little like gray. This is typical Kalima sky. Amazing. Who has vacation these days? Wow. Amazing weather. Aforo completo. So if you want to get inside, advice is come a little bit earlier. Until 11 o'clock for sure you can get inside. But after 12, o la televisión.
Venga, avísame.
A ver de verte otra vez.
Hasta luego.
And the rock is coming, and behind you can see the stage is almost finished. Let's go to Playa Jardín this way. Hola. I love this whale. We saw the dog another day swimming with his master. This is back street of Calle Mequines. I like it here, especially this part. Somebody is really active here. I like it. Nice smell. so dry, everything, so dusty. We really need rain. Maybe the end of this week, hopefully. Today it's possible to swim there. Waves are not that dangerous. Very curious how they're gonna fix this gap. Could be very expensive. Lots of cars of hurt or something. It's like this for years. You can see the stadium a little bit from here. Almost done. New plastic grass. And a new swimming stadium with 2 pools, 50 and 25 meters long. Will be very modern. You can see development everywhere in Puerto La Cruz. It's really nice. I like it. I love this place, and I like when people understand that this is something special, beautiful, amazing, where they can invest money Hola. So the first beach of 3 beaches called Playa Jardín. The first beach is called Playa del Castillo. Castillo means fortress. This one. This is Castillo de San Felipe. Now it's a gallery, or there are concerts of the classical music, sometimes jazz. Very nice place inside. And Playa del Castillo today, so peaceful. Poor Niño. El Niño is hot. Let's see my favorite natural pool today. Oh, lots of water.